Cargo handling systems, such as airport baggage handling or automated sorting systems, are complex systems that require special attention to ensure the safety of operators, maintenance technicians, and anyone working nearby. Procedures: all personnel using or maintaining and operating the systems must be adequately trained in operating and safety procedures. Specific risks: operators must be aware of specific risks associated with equipment, such as moving parts, electrical risk, and confined spaces. Maintenance: technicians must be qualified for ordinary and extraordinary maintenance operations. Personal protective equipment: always wear appropriate PPE, which includes safety shoes with reinforced toes, cut-resistant gloves for handling materials or components, protective glasses for mechanical or electrical maintenance activities, safety helmet when working in areas with risk of falling objects. Use of the systems. Access: do not access the operating areas of the systems without authorization. Foreign objects: do not introduce unnecessary body parts or objects into moving areas. Signals: strictly follow the warning signs and operating procedures. Maintenance: turn off the system and activate the mechanical and electrical lock before working in areas subject to maintenance. Maintenance and inspection. Preventive maintenance: perform periodic checks of the systems as provided for in the maintenance plan, verifying the functionality of the belts, rollers, motors, sensors, and mechanisms. Daily inspection: check that there are no obstructions, blocked materials, or damaged parts in the conveyor belts and other components. Emergency stop systems: regularly check the correct operation of the emergency buttons. Work areas. Limited access: clearly delimit work areas with barriers and signage to prevent access by unauthorized personnel. Cleaning: keep work areas clean and free of materials or debris that could impede the operation of the equipment. Lighting: ensure that work areas are well lit to avoid risks related to reduced visibility. Emergency procedures. Emergency stop: each equipment must be equipped with easily accessible stop buttons along the entire route. Training: train personnel in emergency procedures, including the use of shutdown devices and the timely reporting of anomalies. Evacuation: provide clear procedures for the evacuation of any workers trapped or injured within the work areas. Mechanical hazard. Moving parts: avoid contact with the moving parts of the equipment during operation. Physical protection: ensure all protections are in place and in good condition, preventing unauthorized modifications. Obstacle removal: lock out the system before attempting to remove jammed materials or other obstacles. Electrical hazard. Work on electrical components must be performed only by qualified and authorized personnel. Power shut OFF: before performing maintenance work, turn off the power supply and use padlocks or locking devices to prevent accidental restarts. Wiring and electrical panels: keep cables and panels in good condition and protected from damage. Overload prevention. Loading: do not overload conveyors and other plant machinery beyond the maximum specified capacity. Distribution: ensure materials are evenly distributed to avoid mechanical stress on equipment. Ergonomics. Efforts: ensure that loading and unloading stations are designed to reduce excessive strain. Equipment: provide auxiliary equipment, such as hoists, to handle heavy or bulky baggage. Variations: rotate tasks to prevent muscle fatigue and repetitive strain injuries. Communication and coordination. Communication: ensure clear communication between operators, technicians, and safety managers. Signaling: use visual and acoustic signaling systems to indicate the status of the systems, whether in operation, under maintenance, or in the event of a fault. Schedule: plan maintenance and inspection interventions during off-peak hours to reduce risks. Cargo handling systems are a fundamental infrastructure for logistics, but their use involves significant risks if not managed correctly. Implementing these requirements ensures safe and efficient operation, protecting both workers and equipment and minimizing downtime and accidents. Safety is a priority that must be integrated into every phase of the operational process. Safety is not a document, it is a commitment. Your life and that of your colleagues are our goal. But also yours.